Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special that we're excited to dive into. We're talking about the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker with Egg Cooker Ring. This isn't just any kitchen appliance. It's the best breakfast solution that you never knew you needed. Imagine waking up in the morning and in just a few minutes, having a hot, delicious breakfast sandwich tailored to your taste. Whether it's for a busy workday, a relaxing weekend brunch, or even a quick late-night snack, this breakfast sandwich maker makes the process simple and enjoyable. Let's start with how it works. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker allows you to customize your sandwich by choosing your favorite bread, cheese, eggs, and meats. It includes an egg cooker ring to ensure that your eggs come out perfectly round and fit snugly in your sandwich. This feature is particularly useful for making classic breakfast sandwiches, but the possibilities are endless. You can use English muffins, croissants, or even mini waffles. Just layer your ingredients in the designated compartments. In just 4 easy steps, you can build your sandwich. First, add your bottom bread layer, then your meat or cheese, followed by the egg, and finally, the top layer of bread. Close the lid, and let it work its magic. In a matter of minutes, you'll hear that satisfying beep indicating that your sandwich is ready. The non-stick cooking surface makes cleanup a breeze. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, which means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your tasty creation. Now, let's take a look at the end result. Just look at this beautifully assembled sandwich. The egg is fluffy, the cheese is melted, and the bread is perfectly toasted. It's not just about the convenience, it's about the flavor. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker also stands out as an amazing gift choice. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or even as a white elephant gift. It caters to everyone, from busy professionals to students and food enthusiasts alike. This little appliance makes breakfast feel special without the hassle. Moreover, if you're looking for inspiration, Hamilton Beach offers a fantastic selection of recipes on their website. From classic breakfast sandwiches to unique creations, there's something for everyone. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker is a game changer for your morning routine. With its customizable options, ease of use, and quick cooking time, it's truly the best breakfast sandwich maker on the market. Whether you're in a rush or taking your time, this appliance delivers deliciousness every time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Let us know in the comments what your favorite breakfast sandwich is or how you plan to use this handy maker. Until next time, happy cooking!